In this video, I'm gonna check if it is possible to switch to the front camera while recording a video on the Samsung Galaxy A27. So let's open the camera app, and of course we're gonna go to the video mode. Now over here we have this button that allows us to switch to the front camera or back to the rear camera, but let's see if it's going to be here if I start recording. And the answer is yes. As you can see, still we have this button, so I can easily switch between the front and rear camera, even if I'm recording a video. Now, a quite important part of that is that I use currently the full HD resolution, 30 frames per second, but let's change that to, let's say, 60 frames per second, and let's see if now the button is going to be here. Unfortunately, no, as you can see, the button is gone. So if you use 60 frames per second, unfortunately, you will not have the option to switch to the front camera. And let's try the Ultra HD resolution, so 4K, 30 frames per second, and here also the button is gone, so unfortunately, it is not always possible to switch to the front camera, and it is only possible by using full HD resolution 30 frames per second. In fact, I'm gonna also check the HD resolution. In this case also it is possible, so essentially you need to use HD or full HD resolution and 30 frames per second to be able to switch to the front camera. Leave a like and subscribe.